Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel guys. This is Hero and I'm selling the wedding stuff guys. If it's your first time on my YouTube channel guys, please subscribe right now. You'll be find special prize on this YouTube channel guys. So today, which is the beautiful two-seater is available, the sofa guys, which is the green one, and this is the customer order guys. We just make the black, red and green and a gold color. This is the beautiful you can see guys, and the material, and this is the leather guys. It's not just the white material goes guys. So this is the beautiful sofa guys, and you can see the wood, and you see this is looking so beautiful guys. When you take out this white plastic, it's looking amazing guys. So this is my shop guys, is outside guys. I just put it here because it's a customer order. So guys, it's a beautiful sofa and it's amazing guys, and it's a special price and on cheaper price guys. I will give you the best price guys for this two-seater sofa, which is the green color. If you need any color guys, let me know on the comment guys. We'll make for you. There is no problem guys. So guys, you look the back side also guys are looking beautiful guys. So this sofa will just give you to 1,500 rand guys. So if you want it guys, let me know on the comment guys. 61% is not subscribe my YouTube channel guys, so I'm so disappointed guys, because I'm bringing for you the special price. Like this sofa we selling in the shop 1.6 1.7 guys, but we you just the special price 1,500 rand. But you not subscribe my YouTube channel guys, so please subscribe right now. You can find the special price on this YouTube channel guys. Thank you so much. We'll see you to next video on soon guys. Bye bye.